Welcome to the Hubsan tutorial video. In this section, we will explain the photo and video functions of the fixed-wing aircraft, F22. The specific steps are as follows. To use photo and video functions, you must install SD card on the aircraft. The SD card slot is located in the battery compartment of the aircraft. Insert the SD card with its chip facing down. Push the card gently inward. Now during the flight, you can use photo and video functions to capture every moment. Short press the photo button on the transmitter and the photo saves. Long press the video button on the transmitter and the aircraft starts to record. Short press the video button again, the aircraft stops recording. You may also insert an SD card into the SD card slot on the right side of the display. The display will show SD card insertion message. Press mode button to switch between photo and video mode. In photo mode, short press the record button. After a beep, the camera icon on the display will turn red and capture the photo. In video mode, short press the record button. After a beep, the camera icon on the display will turn red, the timer will start counting, and the video starts to record. Short press the video button again to stop recording and the video will be saved automatically. Thanks for watching.